Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to add backlink in this website. I'll show you step by step, so watch the full video. The website has a domain authority 70 and page authority 45, and the website age is 23 years. To add backlink in this website, firstly go to Study.MdAnderson.org, then click on Study account I created, then click on Need a Canvas account. Then click on I am a teacher. Now fill up your name, email address, then tick this box, click on start teaching, then send a verification email, so check your email and verify it. Click here. Now your email is verified. Now put a strong password. Then click on register. Now click on account in the left side. E-portfolios. Create an e-portfolio. Put a name, put your website name or business name. Check this box, make it public. Then click on welcome in the right side. Now click on edit this page. Now write your website name or business name. And write a description here. Your website description or keyword. Then copy the link and choose your keyword. Select the keyword. Then click on the link. Paste your website URL, then click on insert link. Then you can see your preview here. You can see that backlink is added here. This way you can add backlink in this website. Now click on save page. This way you can add backlink in this website. Now if I click on the link, it will redirect to my website. The website has high DAP, so you can add backlink in this website. It will increase your domain authority. This way you can add backlink in this website. If you need any backlink service, then you can knock me in my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given here. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video. And if you need any backlink service, then knock me in my WhatsApp. Thanks for watching the video. And please like the video and share the video.